ever again. Guys, wait. I think I'm gonna sneeze. God bless you. Thank you. We are on a mission to SSASINATE, the President of the Republic of the Russian Federation. Can we take us to his house? Beautiful Siberian weather. Why the fuck would anyone choose to live here? I think Santa Claus lives somewhere here. Let's get moving. Is the first house over here? Swan, shut the fuck up, the Russians are gonna hear us. Oh, shit. Swan, calm down, he missed us. This is a good hiding spot. There's no way Crow can find us here. Parrot, why can't I marry you? Is been literally 2 months. We got in the heat of an argument. So, who is gonna take the L and seek? I'm gonna take the seek. Okay, Swan, you can be the seeker. WOOHOOO. Swan, get your zesty ass back here. What is it? Why can't I go hide? The seeker is not supposed to be hiding, you moron. Close your eyes and start counting already. All right, motherfucker. To what number do I count to? Let's say 30. Sounds good to me. 11, 8, 9, 11, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 to 1, 11,000. 12. Ready or not, here I come. No way she checks the closet. Her zesty ass has already come out the closet. I don't think she wants to go back in. A wise man once said, the only way to hide something is to put it in plain sight. So that's why I'm just taking a shit with the door open. Turkey, are you taking a fucking shit with the door opened? I caught you red-handed. No, I meant brown-handed. Get it? Because you're brown. I guess that man isn't so wise after all. Let's play truth or dare. Peacock, let's wake you up a little. Is your turn first. Oh, and there is one twist to the game. If you fail to tell a truth or complete a dare, Mike Tyson will knock you the fuck out in the head with a sucker punch. So let's start with you, Peacock. Truth or dare? Dare. I'm feeling very confident today. Perfect. I dare you to go to the wardrobe and pick up a femboy suit and wear it. Absolutely no fucking way, motherfucker. Mike! Wait, please, no, please don't sucker punch me. Tyson.
I'm gonna smack the fuck out of your bitch ass.
Wait, please, no. No. Wait, I kinda like that. Just shut the fuck up for your own sake. Well, I'm kinda glad you got a taste of Tyson's fist. Now you earn your right to question Goose. Goose, truth or dare? Truth. Okay. How many times have you attacked a swan in Afghanistan? Damn, that's personal. I don't want to taste Tyson's fist, so probably like 534? Damn, that is real dope. I am raising to beat those numbers, buddy. Fucking Democrats. Goose, is my turn. Okay. Truth or dare? Truth. Have you ever stuck your tongue in a light socket? No, but Swan probably has. Why the fuck do you always talk about my sister Swan? Because she's one of my favorite body physics. You know what? Fuck you. We're moving on. Peacock, truth or dare? Truth. How did you manage to fall off your tricycle? I fell off my tricycle. It's like talking to a fucking chipmunk. Fuck you guys. Of course I remember falling off my tricycle. The reason I fall off is because I pop off too many perks for that tricycles. I didn't know why there was so many people recording me, Thaug. That's because you always fall off like an NPC. Possibly, but who knows, let's move the fuck on. Before I slap the shit out of you, Goose. Whoa. What is this democratic Australian wild emu war? Peacock was once a piece for me. Fuck your ass out.
All right then, children. Settle down before Mike and Tyson gets involved.
What are you gonna do, Tyson?
Now shut the fuck up and play the goddamn game.
I am starting to think that I'm getting shit wrong. I love it when Tyson sucker punches me.
Hi, this is Vladimir Putin on the line.
Peacock, how does it feel that Dodo made you his bitch countless
Who
times?
the fuck is this?
You sound like Darth Vader busted inside you.
That was a funny one. Darth Vader. Is that you?
Am I dreaming? Or is Putin seriously watching a Barbie movie?
I'm surprised that his fat Russian ass is watching a Barbie movie without my knowledge. I saw one of the Russian snipers shooting across Siberia and tried to shoot me, and I dodged a bullet and ate some ants.
What the hell is Jenkins, the anteater, doing here? Did Swan just fucking spank Goose while being on top of him? I want some of that too. First of all, Peacock, you're too zesty for that. Goose, you freaking assaulted her. I need to post this on TikTok. Goose, give me your phone. Here, take it. What the hell is this browsing history? Fart dines, extra cut the cheese, farticokes, anteater eating ant, dancing babies, man at dimension of dancing babies. What the hell? Give me that. Swan, this isn't what it looks like, I promise. I like you and you are my sister. We are fucking dead. Wait, let me post this on my Twitter account. Hashtag shit happens. Hashtag Boy Scout Target. Hashtag Belgrade. Hashtag Nick Belagine. Hashtag Jenny at Connes. Hashtag Macabert Villagaton. Let's get the fuck out of here. We are dead.